What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I'm actually on my way up here to take it to the dealership that Chrysler told me to take it to. Actually, where I bought my car from, so they can check it out. Hopefully, they will approve the repair and assist me with the cost of fixing this drive shaft. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed. It seemed like talking to the agent, she said usually they do try to provide some sort of assistance, especially if it's a known issue. It's not real close to where I live, but I got to drive it there, so I'm probably going to end up having to leave the car there so they can look at it. Hopefully they'll provide me with a rental car because, like I said, this is my daily driver. My other little car I had, I gave that to my daughter, and she's driving that car now, so this is my only car. So I'm hoping that they will at least help me with a rental car. I am going to talk to one of the salesmen out here that I know and see what the numbers look like on wide body 392. It's highly unlikely that I will get one. I mean, you never know, but it's probably highly unlikely, especially considering I gotta get this car fixed. So I don't know, man, but I'm on my way out here. It's raining right now, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film, but I'll definitely check back in with y'all, man, once I get to the dealership. So let's go. It's crazy because right now I can't even hear. And I'm doing about 60 and I don't hear nothing. Like I say, it's mainly when I'm riding at about 40 and when I'm slowing down where I can really hear it. Just crazy, man. So I just hope that I can get up here, man, and they can tell me some good news. I really don't want to sit up here at the dealership all day, but like I said, the first time I called, they told me they couldn't see me until Friday, but I went online and it was an appointment open for today, so that's why I'm going up here. All right, guys, we're pulling up at the dealership, man. And this joint, like, it got louder. So we'll go around here and see what's going on with the service. They're gonna scat right there in the front. Challenger joint. So we're gonna pull up here, man, and see what they talking about, bro. I know y'all can hear that joint. Home of the truth. Guys, they got the car in the service area, but look at this joint. This octane red thing. Ooh, that joint tight, bro. That wide body, like that. 55. It still got some of the same ones that was out here on my last video. I got this mask on. I hope y'all can hear me. Take this joint off.
Yeah, my mask?
I'm good. Appreciate it. This joint like that. That's one of my favorite colors right there. Then they got this joint over here. Y'all saw this on the last video. They got these wide body Charger scat packs right here. Same too. I thought this one was sold. I wonder why it's still here. Oh, this don't like that. Yes, indeed. Yeah, man, it's the same joints out here that was on my last video, so I ain't gonna do a whole bunch of filming, but they got the car in the back. So once they tell me what's going on, I'll check back in with y'all. Somebody just pulled up in a Demon and a Hellcat. That Demon, I like that. I'm about to go over there and see what that joint hitting on. It's raining, but that Demon, nice. Sometimes I'll be trying to just walk up on people filming. I don't know people like that. I gotta get this Demon on camera. That joint nice, bro. That joint stupid. Yes, indeed. Yeah, that joint nice, bro. Hellcat. Joint like that, man. And that's my color too, the octane red. Yeah, that thing pretty. Sound good too. You know, started that demon up, bruh. That joint's stupid. That joint got some big tires on the back of that joint. That joint crazy.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, I'm still waiting to see what's going on. I see my car's parked out here like they finished looking at it. But look at this Hellcat sitting right here. That joint got some nice wheels on it. Yes indeed. You know he been racing this joint. You know he been racing this joint. They got a couple more joints back here that was in service. Got a 392 right here. And if this your car, you follow my channel, man, leave a comment. You're another Challenger. That's all I see out here so far. Here goes some RTs. White RT. Hell raising RT. What else they got back here? I'm just impatient sitting back here, sitting in there waiting, man. Starting to get restless. That's why I'm out here scouring the lot. See, they got all these RTs. Let me get out of the way before I get ran over by this big truck. That's all I see. I wonder if this Durango is open. See what's different in this train. Yep. Look like the same. I don't look like they changed too much. Man, I love that new car smell, bro. It's nice, man. It's just not big enough for my sons. My boys already 6'2", 6'1", 6'2" at 12 and 14. So I need a daggone Ram. They're the only ones that got enough room. But I love this Durango, man. This is nice. No key fob. Yeah, this is nice, bro. Got the sunroof. 53 for this joint. They taxing for these Durangos, bro. Oh damn. 53 for RT Durango. That's nice. VART with the nav. This is tight. Yeah. Like I said, they just, I don't know, it might got a lot of room. Let me see something. Let me get in the back of this joint. Let's see. Decent room. I mean, if a female driving, then you're probably good to go. Cause I'm 6'4" and I fit back here pretty good. All right, guys, I'm back at the house. It's a 24-hour waiting period before I know anything from Chrysler. The rep said that my chances of them repairing my car is real high because I got a real good service record history with the dealership, and I've been taking my car to the dealership when I was supposed to had an oil change. Pretty much everything that I needed done, I've always gone to the dealership, and so that's helping me out a lot as far as them assisting me with this repair. That's why I always say getting your oil changed at the dealership is not always a bad thing. I know some people, you know, they like to change their own oil and work on their own car, even while it's still under warranty. And I can dig it, you know what I'm saying? I understand why people do it, but based on what she was telling me, if your car is still under warranty, especially if it's new, it's best to take it to the dealership because of situations like this, when you want them to like extend your warranty. If you don't have an extended warranty, they'll help you out, because if you've been changing your own oil and doing your own thing on your car, they don't have any history of how, you know, who's been working on your car, if they've been doing it right. So in my situation, it's definitely benefited me by taking my car to the dealership in the past. I wanted to get a loaner, but they did not have any. And I ain't surprised. That's normally how it works anyway at a Dodge dealership. You normally they really don't have a whole bunch of loaners. I appreciate everybody leaving your comments, showing support, all y'all diagnoses. A lot of y'all was like right on point with the drive shaft. So I really appreciate all that. And the subscriber that pulled up on me, man. I appreciate you, dog. I didn't get your name, man, but I was actually on the phone with Chrysler when you pulled up on me. I appreciate the support. So hopefully everything goes through, man. They approve me. So obviously they got my car. I had to leave my car there. That's no big deal. It's only one day. I should hear something by tomorrow. So I just gotta be patient and wait and see what happens. Either way, we're gonna get this thing worked out, man. I appreciate y'all support. Everybody commenting, some suggestions, recommendations. I appreciate y'all. We're gonna get this thing taken care of, man. It ain't no big deal. I understand cars break down, things happen. So it's looking good as far as me qualifying for the Goodwill Repair Program. That's what they call it. They go back through your history, see if you've been taking a car to the dealership, like I already said. How long you've been a Dodge or Chrysler customer. Like I said, I had a 2007 Dodge Charger. I had a 300. Now I got this car, so I got a long history with the company. So that's definitely boosting my score because they use all that to tally up a score, and that's how they make the decision whether or not they're gonna give you some sort of assistance or extend your warranty. Because my car's out of warranty, so they basically just extended my warranty. So like I said, man, just get your car checked out. All you gotta do is go under there, pull on that drive shaft, see if it's loose, especially if it's still under warranty, so you can go ahead and get that taken care of right now. And you always can get an aftermarket drive shaft. Some people have been suggesting that I get an aftermarket one, but we'll see. So hopefully they pay for the whole thing. Talking to the Chrysler rep, she basically saying most of the time they pay for the whole thing. So if they do that, I'm just gonna continue doing what I was gonna do. Keep working on my credit and just drive it, and just don't do too much crazy stuff in it because I'm definitely gonna be trading it in soon. So if this is the first time on my channel, man, hit the like button. I would definitely keep you guys updated. I should know something tomorrow, so smash the like button. I appreciate all y'all support. We're gonna figure this out. It is what it is. Cars break down. I can't complain. I'm driving a muscle car, things break. It's no big deal. I get it. I know. I understand how it works. I appreciate y'all, and I see y'all on the next video. Peace.